Hey my busy bees, welcome to Pieces of Comfort. This is my first video, so I'll be introducing myself to you guys. And we're going to do a little crocheting. Now this is what we're going to do in this video. We're just going to learn how to make the knot and the chain. Okay, so first let's get that out of the way. This is the yarn that I like to use, Red Hearts Super Saver. Now this is jumbo. To make a regular throw, you're going to need probably about 3 of these, but to make a blanket, more, I say about 6, depending on what size your blanket. Now if you're talking about a full size, yeah. Okay, so now, all right, so we're going to take this yarn and fold it in half. Okay, now as you can see, there's an open side and there's a closed side. Now the closed side, that's the side we're going to take our fingers through. Our index finger, look at all these fingers in here. Let me put down the hook. My index finger and my thumb. Now we're going to twist, let me pull back, we're going to twist our fingers. You see that? You see what we just did when we twisted our fingers? Ooh, look what we're doing. Now, when you twist your fingers, don't let go, because let me show you. My thumb is still in there and my index finger is still in there. So let's do it again. Twist. Now, you see the top of the string that's over here? The open part, we're going to grab the top. Don't take your fingers out of the closed part. We're just going to grab it. See that? We just grabbed it. And don't let anything go. Don't take your fingers out of that closed part. Look at that. It's made of tie. Sexy. Sexy. Now we're going to take our hook. This is a 5.5 hook. Stick it through. How about I thought I had it? Okay, now I'll just call this the face part of the hook. You see the little hook? Now you see my finger and my thumb is holding where that knot was. Now this is how we're going to hold our yarn. How we work with our, gotta work both hands. One holds this, one holds that. And now we're making a fist. Kind of like you're hiding something. Remember that game? Chains behind your back, pick which hand, whatever. Anyway. So, okay, so we're going to take the yarn into our hand. Now we're going to pop up our index finger, loop. Let's do that again. Pop, go under. Now, you see how we're making an L? We're going to keep it like that. Now we're going to open up our fingers. I know it's tricky. I know it's tricky. It's like, look at this. You thought I was going to get this the first time I tried? Look at that. Okay, so now you see? Now we have our index finger up with the yarn wrapped around it. We have our middle finger and our thumb ready to do something. What are we about to do? Okay, we're about to grab the work over here. Okay? Now, if you can see the face of the needle, because I know it's a lot going on, you guys. The face of the needle is holding that knot that is facing you guys, and the fingers are holding the knot. Can you see it? The index finger is up. The middle finger and the thumb is holding that knot. So everything is still, this is a two-hand job, but I'm just showing you. Okay, so now you see this right here. I wish I had like a, insert the little clean thing right there. See how I'm going to wrap around? Maybe I should have used a different color. I'm going to wrap around that piece of yarn, grab it, and pull it down, pull it down, pull it down, pull it down, pull it through. We just made a chain. You can't really see it yet, but just keep going. Now we're going to do it again. We want the back of the needle facing you, the front of the needle facing the opposite way. So we want the back of the needle. This is the back of the needle. It's nice and smooth. We want that facing you. Now go under, under, under until it's kind of like wrapped on the shoulder of the needle. Twist your needle so that way now the face is facing you, and when he's facing you, pull through. Now I'm going to give you guys a close up. All right, here we go. So I'm just making the chain. Okay, so I wanted to make a throw. Ran out there to the Walmart and picked up one yarn and one needle. Went home. I turned on the videos that I had been watching previously, crocheting for beginners, and I turned it on while I'm, you know, trying to get this together. I'm pausing, rewinding, pausing, rewinding, pausing, rewinding. Days later, it was a knot. I will show you guys. I didn't give up. I kept going, I kept going, I kept going. My work was coming out crooked. The more I kept going, the more I tried, the better it was getting, to the point where I made a blanket. I made a blanket. Okay, so now let me give you a close-up. See what I made? Now I'm about to teach you. This is so easy to do, you guys. This will be video 2, how I did the double crochet on the chain.